guys, Yemi PC is here. So if you just built a new PC or you have an old one and it keeps giving you strange issues like a lot of blue screens or giving you errors, and you tested all your components and they're all healthy and nothing is damaged, or you keep lagging when you open certain apps, it's probably because you have a bad Windows installation. Now we're going to see how to fix it. Wondering why I have this old GPU in this new build. It's because I'm saving money for a new one, so don't worry guys, I know about the bottleneck and everything. I'm just going to use it till I buy the new one. Okay guys, so now we're on my desktop. We're going to open any browser and we're going to write Windows 11 ISO English. I'm going to download it in English so everybody can understand, but you have to download it in the language you had Windows previously installed. So if you have a Windows installation previously installed in Italian language, you're going to reinstall it in Italian language, or you won't be able to keep your files and apps. For any question, guys, by the way, ask me in the comments. I will answer the fastest possible. You're going to click Windows 7 Multi-Edition ISO, which is the only option. Okay. By the way, guys, you're going to have those options. You're going to download this Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. We're going to choose this, which is the only option. Choose the language you had Windows previously installed in. If you had Windows previously installed in Italian, you're going to reinstall it in Italian, as I said before. But I'm going to make English so everybody can understand what is written. Okay. By the way, I already downloaded it, so there's no need to download it again. I'm just going to open it. When the download finishes, you're going to open the file. Click Setup. Okay. Okay. You're going to get this window. Click Next. Sorry guys if my English isn't good, but I'm trying my best to improve it. Okay, now we're going to get to the terms. Accept them. So as you can see here, I can't select keep personal files and apps because I'm trying to install Windows in a different language than the one that I'm currently using. So as you can see, I can't do it, but if you had Windows installed in English and you're trying to reinstall it in English, you're going to be able to do it, as I said before. So I have to reinstall it in the language you're using now. Okay, and you're going just to choose keep personal files and apps. After you're going to click next, and you're going just to click keep personal files and apps. If possible, do a backup please, because sometimes you can lose some data, especially if you have important files. Do a backup. And after you're going to click next, you're going to do what it's going to ask you. It's very easy. And after, it's going to restart by itself and do everything by itself, and you're going to have your desktop like you left it. You're not even going to notice that anything different, but you won't get the issues you were getting before anymore, and you're going to fix all the problems. Most of the times, a fresh Windows installation is the key to. Okay, guys, hope this video helped you. If it helped you, like and subscribe, please, to help me make more content. And I recommend before doing a fresh Windows installation, testing your components because it could not be that the issue. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.